Let's review how to use the toolbars across Toolkit.law. Every page, accordion, and content area includes a toolbar designed to help you navigate quickly between Toolkit.law's productivity suites. Starting with the accordion toolbar, this is the right side of every accordion. This includes icons for download, share, and the Toolkit.law suites menu. Next is the data box toolbar, found on the right side of any data box. At the top of the interface, the header left toolbar contains up to 15 customizable external bookmarks. On the right side, the header right toolbar includes 15 internal bookmarks for quick access to key features. Page toolbars let you share an entire page, give feedback, or switch between productivity suites. Section toolbars work the same way, but at the sectional level, ensuring you always have navigation controls, no matter where you are. The Global Site toolbar gives you immediate access to tools, webinars, numbers, vendors, suites, and the Self section. Finally, the Social Media toolbar gives you direct access to Toolkit.law's published content on social media platforms. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's complete suite of toolbars.